Pause screen recorder. 0001. Record button.
Hey guys, welcome back to Nelson Official again. So today I'm gonna make a new tutorial for you guys. So on accessible apps and games for blind group on Telegram. So basically yesterday I have provided you a APK called Happymod version 2.7.5, I think.
One record button.
So I have provided you that APK, and if you have downloaded and you have read the description of that app that I have provided you, you will be able to see what is the application does actually. So today I'm gonna show you what thing that you have to know, or the thing that you have to check before install a application from Happymod. So basically, what is Happymod? Happymod is a application, like you can say it like Google Play Store, that store many application and games for blind and for sighted people. We say sighted people. So let's see what thing that we have to check before install a application on Happymod. So I'm gonna use Voloco for example. Let's see.
Home screen 1 to 1.
I'm gonna go to my Happymod application.
Home screen 1 to 1.
Oops, what's going on?
Program.
Okay,
Folder. Full. 9 or more items.
this is folder, tool folder. I'm gonna.
Page blue. I filled the feature. Happymod.
Here is it.
Happymod.
Happymod. Double tap on it.
Happymod.
Oh, before that, let me slow down my speech.
Happymod. Volume. Music volume. 85. 60.
Okay,
Default.
60. I guess is okay.
Actually, it is clear the button.
Okay, now
Happymod. This the button.
this video button. I don't know why the visual doesn't pronounce search button. It's called this video button. I don't know. Now basically this is a search button.
Search.
Double
Text
tap
box.
on it, and
Search. Text box.
here are the search text box. So I'm gonna type I'm gonna use my Braille keyboard, and I can spell the Voloco app's name.
Keyboard ready. Something to delete.
I'm gonna use soft Braille keyboard, so let me spell it out.
Capital V. O. L. O. C. O.
Okay, Voloco. I'm gonna send it.
Go to keyboard. Logo. Auto Local Zone Studio Resident Cavity 4.0.
Here it is. This is the app.
Add app icon
You can
button.
see this is the top. The top result, which is the Voloco app.
Logo.
I'm gonna double tap, and now what? Okay, you have to find the more version button, which is located on the bottom of your screen. You can touch your bottom of the screen and drag your finger around to find the more version button.
More version.
Okay, so I have found it, so just double tap,
Happymod.
and let me
TTS 65. Default.
turn it up a little bit. So now I'm gonna swipe to my right until I find the version that I want.
Add black button. Logo. V7.0.3 premium unlocked. 35.92 MB. 1,464 downloads. 4.0. 30 votes.
This is the latest version of Voloco that uploaded by developer of Happymod, I think, or maybe by a user. So now basically what I'm gonna do is,
View button.
okay, this is a view button. I'm gonna double tap on the view button,
Happymod.
and this is the display to download the application display. So I gonna
Lock black button. Logo. App name search button.
continue swipe to your right.
ML to starter button. Lock share button.
So the first thing that you have to know is the percentage of working. I mean, how many percent that this modified apps will working on your phone. Let's see.
Logo. Uploaded by Gary Shulman. 100% working loaded.
This is 100% working, which is very good. So this is a this is an important thing that you have to know while you want to download something on Happymod. You have to know how many percent that it will working on your phone. This is pretty important. So I'm gonna check this for the first thing that you have to check before you install the application is how many percent that this application will working on your phone. I always looking for 100% working app, but sometimes if you have no choice, you have to download the 86% working or 90% working, not 100%, but it's okay. Actually, it can working more than not working, something like that. I don't know how to explain it. And the second thing that you have to know is how many download.
4.0.
Keep swiping to the right.
30 reviews. Space.
And this also the important. How many review is it?
1,464. Downloads.
Okay, so 1,000 something downloads. So yeah, this is great. So if we have 100 and above download for this modified app, that means this application is good to install.
Space. B7.0.3.
Okay, here you can check the version of the application,
35.92 MB.
and you also can check the size.
Install.
So basically, it's not install button. If you first time come in Happymod, the button is download, which is I will show you the other version of Logo. I want to download. So let's go back.
Happymod.
Okay.
B7.0.0 premium unlocked. 34.37 MB.
Okay, so
8,187 view button.
shut up. Okay, so this is the example. I gonna download this 7.0.0 version.
View button.
I'm gonna click on view,
Happymod.
and let's see how many download and how many percent that it will working on my phone.
Logo.
See.
App name search. ML is lock share. Logo. Uploaded by Gerlene 4. 75% working loaded.
Okay, this is 75% working, but it doesn't matter. It's okay.
3.8.
3.8.
41 reviews.
Oh, there are 41 reviews
Space.
and
8,187.
wow, 8,000 downloads.
Downloads. Space. B7.0.0.
This is a version and
34.37 MB.
so just 34 MB.
Install.
Oops. This is also install button, so I gonna find the version that I never download. If you have downloaded and you looking for it again, it will say installed. You will see the button, the install button, not download button.
Happymod. View button. B6.9.5.
Okay, this is a 6.9.5, which is the a little bit old version. Let's see.
Logo. Uploaded by Mohammed Saber. 66% working loaded.
Oh, terrible, 66%, but it's okay
3.5.
because this is just a demo. I don't want to install it.
31 reviews.
Whoa, 31 review,
Space. 1,910.
1,000 download.
Download. B6.9.5.
I guess okay.
28. Download.
Okay, this is a download button, and let's see what's happened if you double tap on it. It will appear the dialog.
Download over cellular.
Download over cellular. So just swipe to your right.
Download over cellular. You are about to download over cellular data network. Additional fees may apply. Would you like to continue?
Yes, I
Cancel.
want.
Continue.
Yes, I did. So let's double tap on the continue button.
Happymod.
So it will
Initializing.
start downloading.
Happymod.
Just wait a few seconds.
Initializing Happymod.
It's still
5%.
initializing.
Well,
Oh,
progress.
okay.
17. 25.
Okay, just wait
32. 40.
for the download process.
46. 54. 58. 61. 63. 66. 69. 75. 78.
Yeah, because
83,
my
85,
internet connection is pretty good, so it will
95,
download faster.
99, 100. Oh,
So after it's downloaded the file, it will bring you to package installer where you can just click on the install button. But I will not do that because I'm using version 7.0.3 and I don't want to downgrade it. So
logo. Do you want to install and update this existing application?
No,
Your
I'm
existing Cancel button. Happymod.
no, I'm not. So I can cancel it, but if you want to install it, you just click on the install button and just wait for a few seconds. And after that, you have two choices to click on done or open. If you click on open, it will open the app. Otherwise, if you choose done, it will bring you back to this display.
28.95 MB. Install.
Okay, you can see.
Progress bar 100 position.
Okay, so it will go back here and you can go to your home screen
Home screen 101.
and you can find the local apps on your app screen. If you are Samsung user, you will find it on app screen, or if you have additional home screen, you will find it on home screen 2 or home screen 3. I mean the last page of your home screen. So
Folder. On screen recorder. On screen recorder. One record button.
I gonna
12:15. Record button.
wow, I have recorded about 12 minutes. I'm sorry, that is a group telegram group messages. Yeah, I don't care. So that's it for this video. If you have any feedback or any tutorial requests, you can leave it on the comment section and I will try to carry it up, and I will try to make as your request, maybe the talkback tutorial, or maybe you need any tutorial, I will make it. Just leave it on the comment section, or you can PM me on Telegram. If you have my Telegram number, if you have my Telegram contact, you can just contact me privately and make a request about what video do you want me to do. I'm gonna make it. So
Record button.
that's it for the tutorial. I hope you can make a good choice to download a application on Happymod. So have fun. Bye.